Hello everyone, welcome back. So we are in another tutorial for CSWE exam preparation. As you see, we are in assembly. We have an assembly question, so we need to create a pipe system between these two fittings. Okay, we have fitting 1, fitting 2, left, right. So we need to create a pipe system based on some of the parameters over here. So at the end, we need to measure the mass of the central mass of this pipe. Or the question might be different. Just what is the mass of that pipe, or what is the mass of the central mass of overall assembly, right? Okay, let's try to see how we can tackle this. First, just pay attention to the starting and condition of this pipe. So over here we have a connection between this line. We will have a straight line, and we are going to use some tools like a spline. You just try to think about how you can create a pipe system like that. And you might think about first, let's say, okay, let's just try to create the profile using a spline tool, right? So then I'm gonna go ahead and create a circular profile cross section of the pipe. Okay, then I'm gonna use just sweep command. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Actually, that's that answer. You need to do that, but you might need to have a proper practice before attempting the real exam. In the real exam, you might see the type of question like this or not. I don't know that because the questions they are changing all the time, so you never know. But you might be ready. If you will see something like this, you should be able to tackle that. Okay, let's go ahead and try to see our assembly. Okay, looks nice. And in order to add a new component over here, we need to go and insert components and insert a new part. Okay, let's just add anywhere. So this is our pipe system. You might just need to go ahead and check tree item. Let's go type pipe. Okay, you don't need to do that in the exam, just to save time. Okay, let's try to see where we add the pipe, and I'm gonna go ahead and change the transparency. You can click over here, you can change the transparency like that, or just click over here, you will change the transparency. You might need to see the internal feature and all the details. So if everything is straight, you can go ahead and use sections, but over here there is no straight line. And okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and select this. I'll edit the part. And everything is transparent right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and use 3D sketch and just access the 3D sketch. I'll use the line command. As you see from the question, the pipe starts from this side, right, from this over here, so I need to go straight. Then I need to use a spline tool, and I'm gonna go ahead over here, select this, and I'll check the center line of this circle. Okay, so I have added this line. I'm gonna go ahead and add the same somewhere over here. Again, line command. Okay, just try to, I want to see the center line of this arc. Maybe I need to check all these. Okay, I'll just get the reference from the site. If you don't see the center of the circle, so that might be a tool that you might need to use. Just click the circle, the line, create line, you will see the center. Just delete that, then you don't need that. Okay, that's the challenge of working in 3D. Okay, next we just have an endless line. I'm gonna go ahead and select this too. I'll make the on plane. Okay, oops. Okay, we have added that. We have that relationship. Check this one as well. Goes, no, has a proper relationship. Okay, the next is just to use a spline tool. You don't want to use style spline over here right now. You need to use a regular spline. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and select this line. Okay, the plane is YZ. Just check the letter is just ZX. Okay, so ZX means you're on this ZX this plane, so this is fine. I'm gonna go ahead and just connect to this point. Just right click and select. Now it's time to add a relationship. I just select this line, and I also select this line. I'll make tangent relationship between them. Okay, those might be changed, might be different in the real exam, the requirement. But over here, I just try to make it simple. But I just want to show how you might need to tackle something like this. You might need to use, depending on the question and the profile, like fit spline tool. Okay, you just try to write over here, and you might need to use that. But over here, let's go ahead and try to check the question. Left control line for spline 280 and 350 for this. This is what I added, but you might need to. This is the length of this line, a tangent line. It controls the tangency between this line and also this profile. Over here, this should be for the left side, right? For the left side, 280. I'm gonna go ahead and change that. Okay, that one change. And for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and click over here, and this should be 380. Oh, 350. 350. Okay, so you might need to control this profile of this spline. This is what I've added. Just I control the spline using these tangent lines. Okay, the length of tangent lines that controls the profile of this spline. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and close the sketch right now. Okay, you might go ahead and check these two, the line and also this, and you can go to feature. You can add a reference geometry if you want. That might be easier to create the sketch profile on that plane. And let's try to access that and open a new sketch over there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use this. Okay, you might need to see, and I'll use convert entities. Okay, convert entities, and now we need to take into consideration the thickness of the pipe. In order to do that, just offset entities. Okay, I need to use 1.5 mm. Enter. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use this and reverse direction. I'll click OK. Okay, we have a thickness 1.5, which is nice. Let's go ahead and click OK. Exit the sketch. Now it's time to use some features like swept boss base. My profile is ready, and I have a sweep path. Okay, as you see, looks nice, and meets the requirements of the question. Let's go ahead and click OK. So we have added the pipe. Let's go ahead and close this. Let's Control B, rebuild the pipe. Part system. This is very nice. We kind of completed the question. The answer is for this one is, let's go ahead and try to use that. Based on the coordinate system, you might have a default coordinate system, or they might ask you to add a coordinate system, one of these edges, let's say. And based on that, you might just need to go ahead and use custom system. Instead of inch, I'm gonna go ahead and use millimeter. For the grams, let's say over here, volume, just change based on that. Let's click OK. You have a central mass actually, or something like this. For nut whole assembly, let's just click over here on this one, and your coordinates mass, central mass for this pipe is this. Okay, everyone. So I would like to thank you for all of you to watching my tutorials. I appreciate it if you like and subscribe to my channel. For future updates, just turn on the bell notification, since I'm trying to upload new tutorials to my channel, and try to first get notified my tutorials if you're preparing for CSWE or other professional exam types. Thank you.